worshiping, we're worshiping Radha and Krishna. Oh, Radha and Krishna. 4 times to the feet, 2 times, ding, 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 4. What? Was that 3 or 4? I think it was 5. Oh, I did 5 to the, 2 times to the waist, 3 times to the head, 7 times to the body. 7, I have a hard time counting the 7. 1, is that 5 or 6? I don't know, I got so lost in the beauty, I'm just going like this. And then the other 2 guys, and I'm on Radha Shyam's altar, and someone's on Krishna Balaram altar, and Gauranitai, and I'm still going around the feet, and they're already, I'm with the ghee lamps, and they're already with the water conch. I said, oh, excuse me, water conch, because I got so lost. I'm in this ghee lamp. Wow, your feet are so beautiful. Wow. And I forgot, I don't know, it was 4 or 5. I'm going like this. And then, so sometimes I do the artik in the Krishna Balaram Mandir, Kartik. And Radha Shyam, always. No, I don't know. But sometimes I go there and someone say, no, I'm doing today. I said, then I don't do. No, you do. She said, no, you do Krishna Balaram. I said, no. So you get lost. So we have this concept that Radha and Krishna are our Ishtadev. We worship them. We worship Radha and Krishna. We want to attain love for Radha and Krishna. But it's much more than that. It's so deep, and so it's all about romance. But as soon as you talk about romance and eroticism, then everyone gets nervous. And everybody starts, looking out the window and, picking their fingernails or something. Because the thing is, what is black on one plane is gold on another plane. So the eroticism and the love and the romance of Radha and Krishna is pure gold, pure diamonds, chintamani. Chintamani bhumi, chintamani rupam, chintamani lilam. Chintamani Nama Chintamani Krishna's Chaitanya Rasa Vigra Purna Shuddha Purna Nityamukta Vinatvam Namanamano. Nama Chintamani Krishna's Nama is Chintamani, his Rasa is Chintamani, his Leela is Chintamani, his Chintamani. Mani means gem, and Chinta means thoughts. All your thoughts will become purified, elevated, and transcendental by being absorbed in Krishna's Nam, Rupa, Gun, Leela. So we're worshipping an erotic lover and an erotic beloved. And we're meant to, in this Gopi Bhav, Mantri Bhav that Mahaprabhu came to, Mahaprabhu was a totally erotic personality. His whole Leela is about eroticism and romance. All the time he's just meditating, he's in Mahabhava with Radharani. And if you read the Chaitanya Charitamrita, what is it all about? The taste of your lips. They're taking prasadam, Mahaprasadam. And then Lord Chaitanya says, oh, so what is it? He says, he says, hey Ramananda, hey Ramananda, hey Sarup, hey Jagananda, hey Jaga, hey Jagai, hey Jagananda. What are we taking? Sarvabhauma. Hey, what are we taking? What are we eating? This is Krishna Prasad, it's Jagannath Prasad. But there's black pepper here, there's sugar here, there's wheat, there's so many things here. These are very ordinary things. But what is the special taste in this prasadam? Then all his devotees say, well, we don't know, maybe you can tell us. So then Lord Chaitanya in Radha he starts talking about the taste of Krishna's lips. And he goes, oh, this is eroticism. And it's all about eroticism. I want to take you back to the banks of the... Lord Chaitanya is dancing in front of the carts in Jagannath. He's taking Jagannath to Vrindavan, Gundicha, the gardens of Gundicha. There are so many gardens of beautiful, the Orissa type gardens, those kind of, what do you call, coconut trees, many gardens, and not this big Sri Mandir. Mandir is called Sri Mandir because it's Aishwarya, Lakshmi. Jagannath's there with Lakshmi, it's called Sri Mandir. Nilachalam, then Sundaralachalam. Sundar means beautiful. Beautiful mountain, this means blue mountain, Nilachalam. Jagannath is on Nilachalam, and Radharani is on Sundarachalam. Sundari Radha. So the Sham Sundar is on Nila. Nila means blue. So then Radharani is saying, hey Sham, hey Jagannath, hey Brajendranandan Sham Sundar, come, leave all this Aishwarya behind, leave it all. Leave all this 56, this chapan bhog, all these offerings. Come with me to Vrindavan. Dancing. So then, Lord Chaitanya, immersed in Mahabhav, in the total Shringar Rati of Radharani, he's saying, oh Jagannath, oh Shyam Sundar, oh Krishna, you're the same. I see you, but I'm meeting you again, but I want to go back to the banks of the Reva. I want to go under the tree. I want to go under the trees and the bushes on the banks of the Reva River and enjoy with you intimately before we were married. But now, now it's kind of boring. We're married and everything. So, what is it? This is not eroticism. This is eroticism. This is Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra, Hare Krishna, Jaya Jagannath. But the internal aspect of Rath Yatra is all about the erotic Shringar Rati exchanges of Radharani and Rasaraj. Mahabhav, Radharani and Rasaraj Shri Krishna in the form of Jagannath and Virahava, Mahabhav Krishna, Mahabhavati Radha. So this is who we're worshipping. Everyone's looking for love, everyone's looking for ecstasy, ecstatic, the highest experience of joy and thrill and, electrifying your mind and senses and brain become electrified by the intensities of loving exchanges. It's nothing, it's pale, it's a drop in the ocean. It's like I was mentioning the other day in the Sunday satsang. There's one famous Muslim. He became a Vaishnava. He took initiation from Vallabhacharya's son Vitlanath about 400 years ago. His name was Ras Khan. Khan is a Muslim name, Khan. But Ras means Ras. So he was initiated in the Nimbark Sampradaya. And he wrote a book of poetry in Brajbuli. And very sweet Brajvasha. It's called Brajbuli, but it's Brajvasha. And I'm not a language person, I don't know. But I wrote down some of the verses I wrote down. I haven't committed to memory, but I like reading them. And one that I like some of the meaning. I like very much some of the meanings of them. And one is that one Sakhi says, "Hey Radharani, hey Manini, you're going into Man," but the translation is not quite exactly right because I had it redone by somebody else. Because he says a half hour in the translation. He says, "Oh Radharani, you're going into Man, but don't stay longer than a half hour. Don't stay longer than 20 minutes. Don't hold your Man more than 20 minutes. Otherwise, the universe will disappear. Krishna will disappear. Everybody in Vrindavan will disappear." That's what it says in translation. But the actual verse says, "Don't maintain your Man for more than a few minutes." That's what it says. Few minutes, because Krishna can't bear you being contrary or opposing to him more than a few minutes. That's a beautiful, it's really beautiful. Manini Mano, it's very beautiful. Raskan. And because Khan, the word Khan means, it's a Muslim surname, but also Khan means treasury. So it can be a totally Hindu name, Rasakan, can be a treasury of Ras. So he was a combination, he was like Muslim Hindu. He's really pure, not even Hindu, pure Vaishnava. Radharani Krishna, Marshabur. So one other verse that he had was really nice. He said, one day Uddhava said to Krishna in Dwarka, Krishna said to Uddhava, he said, "Uddhava, do you know, see all these palaces, 16,000 palaces made of Vaidurya gems and lapis lazuli and rubies and diamonds and diamond columns. We think we're big stuff, but we have a diamond ring. Hey, check it out, man. 3 carats diamond. Good paisa, like heavy paisa. Krishna had columns. The columns in Dwarka Palace are diamonds. And they're Surya money, Suryakant. They give off light. Diamond gives light. High quality diamond gives light. So he says, see all this? All of this opulence of Dwarka is not equal to one ball of gobar. It's not equal to one ball of gobar in Vrindavan. Gobar means a ball of cow dung. So this is the glories of Braj. Rasakan made, and he saw this in his vision.